It seems that Apple is still unwilling to give up the MacBook Air, since Kuo believes that an update will finally see the light at the end of the tunnel during the second quarter of this year. While the exact details of the prices were not mentioned, the word affordable was indicated, which means we could see a $999 MacBook Air. According to Kuo, the eventual release of the MacBook Air with an affordable price tag will mean that Apple will be able to increase its shipments of laptops by up to 15%. Many consumers will opt for this model, as it is able to provide more ports than the 12-inch MacBook and, thanks to a lower resolution, it is able to offer a substantial battery life. Earlier it was reported that Apple did not make a drastic change to its MacBook Pro lineup this year, although we could see 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports on the MacBook Air, which will be able to offer a ton of performance, including the ability of the notebook to connect the external GPU cabinet. We also believe that the MacBook Air will feature Intel's 8th generation processors. With the latest chips, users will be able to take advantage of the most powerful quad-core processor package for multitasking capabilities, and the faster NVMe SSDs built into this notebook will mean that a more responsive machine will be available.